Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today we bring you a very special dish from Sicily in Italy. We're going to make a lemon ricotta cake. It is a very simple recipe. You can have it any day of the week, and normally in Italy it has evolved. You find it everywhere, and you can have it for breakfast as it's not very sweet, for brunch, or just as a snack with your coffee. It is very good. It only takes about 15 minutes to prepare and an hour to bake. Really good, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese, half a cup of olive oil, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, 3 lemons, butter for our mold, and powdered sugar to decorate. The first step is we're going to zest our 3 lemons. The lemon scent and the oils are going to give our cake a great flavor. Now we're going to cut 2 of our 3 lemons and we're going to juice them. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients and we're going to sift them. Our flour, our baking soda, and our baking powder. Once we have everything sifted, we're going to leave it for the side for now. Now we're going to start mixing our wet ingredients. We're going to add in a bowl our 3 eggs, our ricotta cheese, our olive oil. I wouldn't use extra virgin olive oil as the flavor is too strong. I'm just using regular olive oil. Our sugar, our pinch of salt, and our lemon zest. Before I forget, we're also going to add the juice of our 2 lemons. Now I'm using a spatula. We're going to incorporate everything real well. You can use a mixer, but I think doing it this way is a little bit better and more traditional. Once our wet ingredients are completely mixed, we're going to start adding our dry ingredients. I'm going to add half at a time and start creating our batter. Once the first half is done, I'm going to add the second one and finish mixing. And now our batter is ready. I'm going to prepare our mold, and I'm just going to use butter all over the place. Once it's fully buttered, we're going to add our mixture. going to level our cake, and then it's going to go into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. I'm using a cookie tray, as it's going to make it easier to get it out of the oven, and tap it a few times to release the air. And that's it. Now we wait for our cake to be baked. As we wait for our ricotta and lemon cake to bake, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Don't forget to leave us your comments, and at the end of this video, give us a like. That it helps us a lot. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. After an hour, we're going to pull our cake out of the oven. And it's smelling great. I'm going to put it on a wire rack, and we're going to let it cool for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to unmold our cake. And to decorate, we're going to put some powdered sugar or confectioner sugar on top. I'm going to put a slice of lemon to decorate, and we're ready to eat. Our lemon ricotta cake is ready, and it smells really good. Let's cut a slice. Look at that. So spongy. Smells delicious. Now it's time to try it. So moist. Obviously you get the lemon taste, but that ricotta makes it not so tart. It's a really good cake. It's very easy. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.